Hey everyone, it's Michael here, and today I want to show you guys Logitech's newest mechanical gaming keyboard within the Logitech G Lightspeed series. That is their wireless gaming peripheral lineup, which they claim to have a tiny, even comparable latency compared to their cabled counterparts. This is the Logitech G613. First of all, the Logitech G613 is a full-size mechanical wireless gaming keyboard with Romer G switches, a combination of words you might not hear around often before. Gaming, mechanical, and wireless? Getting inside the package, there's also a phone stand, which indicates that this is not just a mechanical wireless gaming keyboard, but also a multi-device keyboard which you can pair up by a dongle and by Bluetooth. Talking about the dongle, you can find it under the keyboard besides two A2 batteries, capable of powering this device up to 18 months, or so they promised. Worth mentioning is that this uses the Lightspeed receiver just like any other Logitech G wireless peripherals, so you won't pair it with a unifying receiver to reach minimum latency. Now on the design, this keyboard looks pretty calm, and in order to live up its promised battery endurance, G613 doesn't have any backlighting, let alone RGB, so it looks more like an expensive office keyboard with a permanent armrest. But after closer inspection, the G613 starts to show its gaming features. From the 6 customizable macro buttons easily reached on the left, a gaming switch to disable Windows button while gaming, and a complete anti-ghosting for all the keys. So, the G613 doesn't use Cherry MX switches, but uses the proprietary Romer G switches, which I think I like the feel of it. Light actuation, tactile, and a bit soft like a rubber dome keyboard. The sound isn't also very loud, comfortable for gaming and typing. Ergonomics are great, but unfortunately there are no textured keys, including no spare keycaps for WASD or key WER are included. At the far right corner above the numpad, we can find media controls consisting of volume, mute, and 4 playback control buttons. Back about the multi-device capability, switching between devices is made very easy. As long as you've paired up, just press the wireless or the Bluetooth key to switch around. The thing is, this is in my opinion the best wireless gaming keyboard right now, both if you're a casual or competitive gamer. Battery endurance, mechanical switches, full set of features, and its multi-device capability made the Logitech G613 almost perfect for any occasion. As long as you're fine with Romer G switches and the absence of any backlighting. So that's it for our quick overview on Logitech G613. Share and like this video if you please, and as always, have a nice day.